Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a hard fondant. You can see the fondant I've got here is dry and is not stretchy enough, so you can't work with it. Now to soften this fondant, I'm popping it into the oven and I'm going to heat it up for 4 seconds. Remember to heat it on the lowest temperature. Since I have a small amount of fondant, I'm keeping it for 4 seconds. If you have a larger quantity, keep it up for longer seconds, but make sure you keep 4 seconds interval. I then knead it for few minutes. After kneading it for few minutes, you can see I've got a perfect stretchy and usable fondant. So there you go guys, a simple hack to soften your hard fondant and make it more stretchable. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.